Most flagpole installations will be done in one trip. However, if your installation needs to be done in two parts, for instance, if the ground sleeve needs to be installed before the flagpole, then there may be a separate trip charge for a second trip to your site. Other extra trip charges may also apply if your location is not ready when we arrive and we need to reschedule, or if conditions on site require more time and equipment than is standard. We base our installation fees on standard soil conditions and specifications. If there are any anomalies with either of these at your installation site, such as soil, placement, accessibility, additional cement work and equipment, etc., then we must be notified about them before your installation. As you prepare for the installation, we promise to do our part in keeping it a safe and professional experience for you. We will leave your installation site clean and free of any debris. We will also do our best to keep to a minimum any disruption of your landscaping. Included in your new flagpoles packet is our pre-installation sign-off form. We will need you to fill this out and send it back to us prior to scheduling your installation. Many of the points this form covers are things we have explained in this video. Once you have filled it out, it can be emailed to our installation coordinator at installs@colonialflag.com or faxed to 801-562-1177. If you have any questions regarding this form, please contact your salesperson at 801-562-0123. Once again, thank you for selecting Colonial Flag. If you have any questions regarding your installation, please contact us.